Hello everyone, this is Fawaz from Australia Unwrapped.com. In this video we're going to talk about Lenovo Yoga 900 laptop reviews. So the operating system is Windows 10 Home. The processor is Intel i7 up to 6th generation. The memory is LPDDR3L up to 16 GB. The storage is 512 GB Samsung SSD. The battery backup is 9 hours. The display is 300 nits, 13.3 inches. The dimensions are 12.75 multiplied by 8.86 multiplied by 0.59 inches. It has Bluetooth 4.0, Wi-Fi. The graphic card is Intel HD graphics. The audio is JBL stereo speakers with Dolby DS 1.0. The weight is 2.8 lbs. It has 1 megapixel 720p HD CMOS webcam. It has two USB ports, 3.0, one XTC USB 2.0 function, audio combo jack, one USB Type-C 3.0 video out, 4-in-1 card reader. The display screen is arguably large for giving better display experience on web pages, and spreadsheet user gonna love this large space. For further details about this article, click the link below and comment, and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you down there.